Alright, hi, this is Captain Midnight, and I am doing a quick little demonstration on how I am getting running power cables to a base, just to hide them so they're not quite so obvious. I started off with just this one little circular room, but I threw a few other things on there, and I need a little more juice, so I'm going to run another solar panel to it and show you the process. But here's the end product. You can see the power line here is going directly down into the ground, and it's running underground where it meets up with this solar panel, which is not providing nearly enough juice for this thing. So what I'll do is I will run a couple of them, but I'm going to run over here and do it in a different location and plug it into a different port. Alright, so here's the process. We're going to start off with the terrain tool, just to dig a hole down, and let me get out of that. And now let's drop a solar panel in there. I'll drop like 3 or 4 of them because this uses quite a bit of juice. And I don't care about batteries or anything. This is just a little test bed that I've got running here. So go power to power to power. There's my grid. Whoops, didn't quite make it. And then I'm going to run this power line down to the bottom of this hole. Okay, now I'm going to run over to my base, and I'm going to use my terrain manipulator again to dig another hole. And I'm going to run back to the first hole, and we're going to connect those two holes together. Whoops, hitting the wrong things here. Okay, and now I've got the end of that. Do I have the end of that? Yes, I do. And run to the hole. Now, where the hell is it? Whoops, why did it do that? Alright, let's get rid of that. There. And I'm going to run to the hole. And there it is down at the bottom of the hole. And now straight up to there. Now, you got this big ugly hole here. Well, we're going to use the terrain manipulator again. This time we're going to use it in build mode. In the smallest bit you can. And I'm just one button, one clicking it, just building this, just filling this hole back in. I'm taking my time, just doing it kind of carefully. Until the hole is pretty much gone. I'm actually kind of rushing through it right now for this video. You can see the other side of it, it looks much, much better. Okay, we got a little bit of a bump, but we can take care of that in just a moment. Now, look at this. Everything is empowered. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now here's the last little bit if you really want to nitpick. I'm going to go in and I'm going to throw a piece of flooring in, piece of wooden flooring. And let me just get it the way I want it. Get it as close to the building as you can. There it is. And delete it. And look at that. No problem. Nice, clean power conduiting. Alright, so go make bases.